Everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation. And in today's session, we are going to see how to capture the screenshot for the failed test case. Means what? In our test classes, if any one of our test case got failed, then automatically screenshot should be captured. So for this scenario, we are going to create some method and do some arrangement. So for that, we will move to our Eclipse. So this is our project, and previously we know that we have created one utility package. Here I am going to create one class, new class I can say. So the name will be like uh, we can say that capture screenshot. So this is the class, and now we'll create one method. So we have an idea about the how to take the screenshot. So for that we will create one method like public void and screen screenshot is the method. So this is the normal method, and now I try to do some code to get the screenshot. So we know that whenever we need to take the screenshot, so we have one interface, take screenshot is the interface, and we need to typecast it with the driver. So this is the first step we need to perform. Then dot get screenshot method we can use, and here we need to pass the output type dot file as a argument, and this should be stored in somewhere. So like we can say that we can store this in a source, and I will create a local variable. But now here we have one problem that driver is not accessible, so we need to extend this with the test base class. So that is extended. Now there is no issue. So what we have done, we have captured the screenshot. Then this screenshot is captured in a local memory, and now we need to copy that screenshot from local memory to the our location wherever we need to store. So for that I will define one location like file, then I can say destination equal to new and file, and here I will give the location. But for before for that I need to create one folder. So like where is folder? Yeah, folder, and I will give the name like screen CRWN shots like this, and I will use the location of this folder. I will copy this and paste it here, and then I will give the name like uh, screenshot CREE or photo in a short photo.jpg is the name. Let me make it somewhat bigger. Okay, so this is the code. And now what I have done, first of all I capture the screenshot, then define a location where that screenshot should be stored. Then I need to copy that screenshot. So file handler is the class, but that should be Selenium class. Then copy is the method, and it should be copy from source to destination. And I just need to mouse over this to throw the exception. So this is done. Now this screenshot will be captured, or the method is ready. Now we know that we need to capture this screenshot whenever the test case got failed. So we'll move to the test case section. So this is our test cases package. Here we have login test. Okay, this is one of the class, and what we try to do like here. mm, okay, so we have multiple test cases. Now we need to capture the screenshot whenever the test case got failed. So if that code is called in any of the test cases, So that will be only for the test case. Okay, this will not applicable for all the test case. So every time in every test cases we need to write that code to capture the screenshot. So it's a very bad idea to write or to call that capture screenshot method into the test case. So what we will do, we will first of all we know that this initialization method will be called like browser will get open, then URL will be entered, then test case will be executed and test case will be failed. And then if the test case is pass or fail, then we can say that there is a after method. Okay, and here the pointer come, we can say that, or execution come, then here we can write down that particular code. Like here we can come to know that the test case is pass or full. So this will we can say that a single location where we can put the data or the code to capture the screenshot of failed test cases. So whatever the test case got failed, screenshot will be captured every time. So we will write that code into our after cases. So that will be applicable for the every test. So the it is like generic, we can say that. So any test cases got fail, that will be called automatically. So we can say that after method will take that data and will capture the screenshot whenever test case got fail. So in after method, what we need to do, there are some interfaces are available which we need to use over here. So in here we'll write down some code uh, like we can say that if we'll put one condition, but before that I will do one thing, like we will use I test result. Okay, I test result is one of the interface, and here uh, I will try to create the we can say that object or reference variable, we can say that, like it is the reference variable. And here I will put one condition, if like it dot, just a minute, here I need to put like, sorry, it dot failure, yes, equal to, if it dot failure equal to it dot get status. Okay, so means what I am doing, if failure equal to the failure status. Okay, if the failure will equal to failure status, then the screenshot, we can say that, will be captured. So here I will try to call the code to capture the screenshot. So that is written in capture screenshot class. So I will try to call the capture screenshot dot, oh, I need to do this static, by which I'm able to call public static and make this method as a static. So now I'm able to call that dot screenshot. So it could call, I will just mouse over this like this, and then this will be captured. So now let's see is our code is working fine or not. But for that, what I need to do, I need to fail any of the test cases purposefully. Okay, so for example, which test case, okay, we'll try to fail this test case, like it have the status true. Okay, sorry, there it will be in assert equals, we have the true value. So in place of true I will make it as a false, and let's see what happen. Let's try to run this and see are we on a right track or not, or the screenshot getting captured or not. Okay, so it is executing, and okay, so number of test cases are available here, and whenever that test case fail, we are expecting the screenshot will get captured. Okay, these are too fast. Okay, and done. So we got one failure as we are expecting. So after that, what we can see here, like in a screenshot folder, there is no screenshot. What we need to do, we just need to try the refreshing the page. Let's refresh the project, not page, and we can see that there is one JPEG. Okay, if I try to open, then this is what the screenshot which get captured as test case got failed. So in this way we can capture the screenshot if the test case got failed, not the every time. Okay, now but what happen if someone else test case also get failed, then the same screenshot of same name will be captured and the previous screenshot will get replaced because we are using a hard coded value of screenshot like a photo. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to change this. So for that, we'll do one arrangement like what we'll do here. I can use it dot get method or get name. Yeah, get name is the method. Sorry, this should be removed. So get name is the method which I can use. Okay, so get name is the method which can I use. So what it gives, it will return the name of the method. Okay, and now we got the error over here. So why this error? Because this particular method don't have any argument, but still we are passing the argument. So what we need to do here, we just need to pass the one argument of string type like string name of method. So or we can pass the name too. So now this name of method we need to use in the place of photo. So I will replace this. So let's try to understand properly. For that, let make in. Okay, now it is visible properly. So now I will just remove this photo. We'll use the 2 plus, and in between 2 plus I will use the variable value like name of method, and here I will use double quote, and even after this plus I will use double quote and one quote will be deleted. Okay, so this name of method I am using as a variable. So now whenever I am going to execute this class again, I will get the result or screenshot result as the name of the method dot .jpg. So now let's run this again and let's see what happened with the screenshot name. Okay, so again it is failing and we need to refresh the project. Let's refresh it, and this is what the screenshot like verify bot logo test. So now the screenshot name is changed from photo to JPEG. So every time if any method got failed, then the name of the method will be reflected in the screenshot name. So in this way we completed our scenario. Now let's try to do one more thing over here, like I'm using date equals to new date. So let's try to do something. uh, okay, util I will use. Okay, now date dot uh, get get date. I will try to use get date, and yes, this is the deprecated method, but it still work. It should still work. So now I can use this code into somewhere else. I will use one method over here like public get public void get date. here I will use that code, then I will return this, so it will show error, and I will make this correct. So I got the integer. Okay, no problem. And now I will use this date over here. mm, Over here, like I can try to use integer date equals to get date. No, it should be static, public static. So let's see, get date. Okay, and now this date I try to integrate. Let's see, is it possible or not. Then okay, so after this uh, I will use date and plus. Okay, it looks okay. Let's execute this again. Okay, I should uh, disable rest of the test cases, but let's see. Let's see is our experiment is correct or not. Okay, this should be fail, and let's refresh the project. Okay, so it only got the date like 7. So date is not so let's disable the rest of the test cases. False, it is false, then it is false, then make it false too, because we can concentrate only on the failed test case. So let's change this date dot get date, day, hours, minute, second, year, class, get time. Get time is the good method, I think. Add cast to int. Let's see, is it work or not. Let's execute it again. So here I am getting the screenshot as per date. Okay, today is 7th of Jan. So I'm expecting the complete date. Let's see what happened now. Okay, let's refresh the project again. Okay, so what we got, what's that? 1926 1100. Is this date? I'm getting the different thing. Why it is treating like this? So it is typecasting actually. So what I need to do, get time. I should, okay, now it is okay. Add return statement. Okay, no, not like that. So first of all I will make it void, then I will use return over here, and then I will do some automatic changes long. Good. And now here into cast, no, I will remove this and will use a local variable over here. Okay, let's execute it once again. Why this is not giving the date? Okay, Okay, let's refresh the project again. So here we got the different result. So what's that? Here we are getting a different values. This is the latest one, 1677. There is, it's not able to read this. Okay, so let's find out another method like dot get date dot uh, get date, day, hours, minute, month, second, time zone, get year, hash code, then after, before, clone, equal to instance, set date, set not, we don't want to set anything. We why we can't get, I think, can we use this? Let's see. It is saying deprecated, but let's see once again. Let's delete all those things. Can we delete from here? Yes. Okay. And let's execute it again. Yes, it start execution. And let's refresh the project again. Uh-oh. We are getting the date only. So this is deprecated method. Okay, I need to do something, do some research over there, then we can change that. So thank you. We'll meet into the next session.